Let me take you inside one of those high stakes rooms we're talking about all the time. You've been there, right? Where you think there's a decision made, everybody's aligned, everybody's excited, and off they go. Then you start to hear little things. There's Slack messages going around. People are having one-on-one meetings. People are asking about changing this decision and that. The decision, parts of the decision are being reopened. You're not even there, and that's what's happening around you. So what happened? Why did that happen? Well, we call whatever happened in that room the invisible variable. Something happened in that room. The room shifted. You felt it, and your team felt it, but ultimately nobody could identify it or put a label on it. And the issue really becomes, what are the consequences and implications of that, what we'll call a misfire? Well, there's productivity implications for sure, but there are hard cost implications because if people are spending time on that decision, which ultimately was supposed to have been completed and made, and they're still working on it, they're not working on something else. There's an opportunity cost issue there, and that is real. That is real money. So the only way we know how to get you started to think about that stuff is we built a diagnostic to make the invisible visible for you. And it's 5 minutes, 10 questions, real easy to do. Have a look, check it out, put a mirror on what's happening in those rooms, and that's the first starting point to actually understanding how to make sure decisions stick when you actually leave a room. Hope that's helpful.